Think texting your ex 50 times a day is just annoying? In some states, it could be a crime and even land you in court. Think sending a bunch of texts is just being persistent? What if I told you that you could actually be sued or even charged with a crime just for texting someone too much? In the US, laws around digital communication have gotten serious. And in many states, repeated or unwanted texting can legally be considered harassment or even cyberstalking. Let's break it down. In places like California, New York, and Texas, if you send multiple unwanted messages, especially after being asked to stop, you could be breaking the law. Even if there are no threats or abusive language, if your messages cause emotional distress or make the other person feel unsafe, you're in legally dangerous territory. The courts don't just look at what you say. They look at how the other person feels and how it's affecting them. You might think, it's just texting, it's harmless. But here's the truth. There have been real cases where people were hit with restraining orders for sending as few as 10 to 15 unwanted texts. Some were even fined or arrested. These laws exist to protect people from ongoing digital pressure, intimidation, or obsessive behavior, even if it's happening entirely through a phone screen. Intent matters, but so does reaction. If you keep texting someone after they clearly say, "Stop," and they report you, the law may not care whether you meant harm or not. What matters is that your communication was unwanted, persistent, and perceived as emotionally harmful. That's where legal lines are crossed. So here's the bottom line. If someone asks you to stop texting them, just stop. Continuing to push the conversation could do more than annoy them. It could result in civil or criminal consequences that stay on your record. It's not just a social boundary anymore, it's a legal one. Know your rights, respect theirs.